Did you see that one was biting her twin? The one with the red bill.
One's chasing the other. One's chasing the other. It's so cute. It's so funny. You see, she gave him corn on the cob, broken up.
It looks like my cereal I eat, Fiber One.
I love Fiber One. That's my favorite cereal.
Yeah, it's good for fiber. They got very noisy when it's feeding time. Go ahead.
Here, camcord me. Camcord me. Don't eat this fast. Chew it well. Chew it well.
I think they heard you though.
Chew your food. Chew your food. Chew it well.
Hey, get along, don't fight.
It's a tug of war. They look like twins.
Maybe that's the female and that's the male. Look at him chasing that one.
That's so funny. That's hilarious.
It's all on camera.
Look at the web feet on that big one.
When you're done, don't turn it off. Come over here. He's eating like a pig.
Oh, look at the piggy eating.
I love it.
It's like it's peas and carrots.
Bob's gonna say, this is
Oh, he's chowing down.
Mark's gonna say, oh, Audrey. Mark's gonna say, oh, Audrey. Hey, come on, watch, do it. Could you camcord Audrey eating, please? Hi, Audrey, hearty appetite. Did you cook that food yourself?
It's a nice hearty meal. It's good. He doesn't have to worry about being a sausage. Doesn't have to worry about being a sausage.
Would you like me to sing to you while you eat?
He's very hungry.
Oh, I'd love to be an Oscar Mayer wiener. That is what I'd really love to be. 'Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me.
He didn't seem to mind that people are looking at him.
Looks like he's eating healthy, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, look, it looks like peas and carrots.
And whatever else it cut.
You see the pig? Cam poured some more of the pig and of the birds, of the ducks, of the chicken.
They're on a wild goose chase.
Yes, they are. I love this is hilarious.
I just saw Donald Duck and a cousin.
You know what?
Donald Duck.
Yeah.
He's all white.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Oh, there's some pigeons in there now.
They're always in here.
Look at that.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Hey, Aflac. He's the only one that can deal with that big chunk.
They got strong beaks.
Yeah, I guess.
They have
Big
to.
one. Hey, Aflac. Hi.
Cute little duck, are you?
Hey, I like your red nose. You know, you too? Hey,
He talks.
same to you.
I like his web
How you
feet.
doing? Oh. Hi. Hello. You don't want to talk to me?
Now back to the pigs. See, I haven't finished.
Lot to eat
He's eating like a pig.
there. It's a good one.
It's Porky. Now onto the bowls.
I want to sing with you. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa, baa here, and a baa, baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, baa. There's Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hey, you. Smile, you're on candid camera.
Here you go.
And there she goes walking away.
See, very cool.
Are you loving this?
Great. You're so lively today.
You missed the cow taking a pee.
I don't care. I don't want to watch what you pee.
Come here. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa, baa here and a baa, baa there. Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You can put it away.